Guys, welcome to our video. So as you can see, the time is somewhere around 12 and we have our Polo ready. So we have changed the tires of the Polo to 6. Our Polo is ready for tomorrow's race. This is something I got while doing something on my car, but that's the cost of making a project car. So the Polo is ready for tomorrow. We're just gonna clean it now. Apart from it, the CRS is also ready. The alternator work is done. We also have a new car, Honda City, in for gearbox repair. CNS is right there. He's laughing. So the Terrano will get its work done tomorrow. Because of the race, we couldn't do much on it today. But we have changed the filter. We have changed the oil filter. We have put in the new oil. And the car is like in progress right now. So this is another car that we have for today. It has come for a premium wash and it will get it washed done tomorrow. So the client wanted by 12 noon. This is my mother's car, not our in-house i20. The car came for us for a general service. We have already completed the service and it's just here. We have also got our Virtus back from the company. So apparently when it went to the company for the gearbox mount change, the company had an accident and they just bumped my rear quarter panel into something. So we have got the panel painted from the company. Sorry for the smoke. We have got like the panel painted. The panels still don't have that kind of finish, but it's okay. The company is gonna get us a PPF or something. That's our i20N line. Oh sorry, the i20 stock one, and this is the i20N line. It won't be running in the races tomorrow, but it will be going as a service car. So we have already changed our tire, the slicks one, for tomorrow's race. And this is the venue. It just got us at 11 p.m. because the driver decided to race with this car. So it's 12 right now and we have changed the rear doors, we have changed the rear boot, and these are the set of slicks that we have for tomorrow. Actually these are the ones that are no use for us. Gurjot has sent us new, Gurjot from Silence House. This is the bonnet. We are currently rubbing the bonnet because it got new paint, because the old paint got a little bit off. So we have just 3 cars lined up for tomorrow. So one is our Volkswagen Polo 1 liter TSI project car, other one is this Venue 1 liter TSI, and the third one is Project Ritz. Apparently Brio won't be running tomorrow because the customer has to go somewhere, but it will be running in other races. So that's all for today. It's almost 12 and we're gonna go home in around half an hour or something after washing 2 of our cars. And we are ready for tomorrow. We're gonna update you everything. These are the old disc and old brake pads from Volkswagen because they got changed in my Virtus. Actually the car went for changing of disc only. As you can see, we have got new disc, but apparently they have hit my car and now they're gonna give us the PPF and everything. That's our i20. That's all for today. Wait, these are the tires for Polo. These are the parts of Formula that's gonna get painted. We have harness right here, and we also have first coat painted the Formula car, and now we're gonna choose from a variety of paint that I showed you in the last video. And this is the engine, as you all know. So I'll keep you updated about the races and stay tuned to follow our journey. A little longer vlog, but hope you like it. Please share, support and subscribe to our channel. Kudos.